Direct Conveyors makes it easy to design your custom flat belt conveyor using their online configurator. Here's how to use the tool and download a native CAD file. From Direct Conveyors homepage, click Configure Your Conveyor. You can set the parameters for your conveyor belt using the drop-down options, while the configurator updates the part number on the fly. Icons on the right give you detailed information about the product specifications available to you. You can also start with a pre-configured design. On the right, you can move, zoom, and rotate the part within the 3D viewer to see the design in up-close detail. When you're happy with the product, click the CAD Download tab. Here you can choose to download a 3D PDF datasheet, which includes product specifications, technical drawings, and a bill of materials. Let's download a native CAD file. Here you can choose from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works natively in your CAD software. Finally, click Start Download. For more great products and conveyor needs, visit directconveyors.com and check out partsolutions.com to learn more about online configurators and native CAD downloads.